If you like my videos, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button. Good day everyone. Today I'm going to make egg biryani. We use in basmati rice. Leave it in this water for soaking for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can prepare the other ingredients. Ingredients today we are using garlic, ginger, cinnamon stick, and lemongrass, and the clove, cardamon, and some curry leaves. Hand pound it together. First add 1 tablespoon of butter, oil or ghee, whatever you prefer. When the butter or oil ready, you just add some curry leaves first. Now start adding all hand pounded mix. Get some nutmeg and shred it a little bit. Finally add the 1 tablespoon of yogurt. It's also your liking. You can use a coconut cream as well if you like. You already boiled the egg, now it's ready to fry. Now egg biryani is ready to eat. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button. You'll get more videos notification when I upload the videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.